One time for my nigga Migo, yeah. White boy in the bed and shit. Check me out, check out my freestyle. Nigga fucking with it, H-time, nigga quit playing. I sit your bitch ass down, nigga. You think I'm fucking playing? Well, I ain't. Nigga like me just can't let a fuck nigga come and get what I think, cause he don't know shit about me. I'm H-Town, nigga, yeah, Young G. Call me Young Goon, because I'm out here killing. With my boys in the yard, yeah, we out here killing. Field war villain, yeah, I don't care. I know what's right, and I know that you ain't fair. I know you play that bullshit, I know you is scared. You a pussy nigga, I can see it just looking at you, man. Get up out my face, you a fuck ass nigga. Try to call me out, but you ain't about shit. You a little bitch, cause I took your bitch. Straight up nigga, man, fuck you and your bitch, cause now she mine, nigga. You ain't gonna do shit, you can't take her from me. Yeah, nobody could, cause that's mine, homie. I say it with pride, I say it loud and proud. Nigga hating on me, and I say it loud and proud. Man, I don't give a fuck about none of y'all hating niggas. Y'all ain't shit but little bitches, some fuck niggas. Yeah, I said it loud. Who gonna say shit? Not nothing, nigga. You ain't gonna say shit. Man, you know where I'm from, Phil Woe. Lounge Ave, LAK, niggas, that's for sure. LAK stand for Lounge Ave Killers, bro. That's just for you hoes that didn't know. Nigga, my boy Chiquillo is a fucking fool. That nigga be tryna act like he fucking cool, but I'll fire his little bitch ass up, he already know. Just like my boy Water, yeah, he already know. You fucking with some killers, that's straight up. Some Fit War gorillas, that's straight up. Nigga, fuck you mad for, nigga. Are you mad cause we get this cash flow, nigga? And I said it straight up, nigga, I ain't complaining. Yeah, I ain't complaining, nigga, I'm straight and braining. Yeah, coming off the dome, yeah, I'm going fucking hard. Niggas hating on me cause I'm from Field War. And now let me get on another subject, DH. Nigga, I ain't finna hate, but y'all some grapes. Some little pussy ass niggas that's soft as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't talking to all of y'all, cause there's some down ass niggas, some real SA niggas. But the rest of y'all ain't nothing but pussy niggas. Scared of Fit War niggas, scared of these fucking niggas. I'm talking about blacks, Mexicans, whatever you wanna say. Cause y'all scared, nigga. Man, get out there and flex. Show them niggas what you bout. Show them respect. Nah, show them respect and you'll get it back. But man, fuck all that, cause this ain't fucking, man. Yeah, I don't give a fuck, nigga, I'm crazy. Yeah, Phil Woe, nigga, man, I ain't lazy. I'm trying to get out here and make my fucking paper, dog. I thought I told you before, I want paper, dog. Yes, hold up, Phil Woe, man, for my nigga Migos one time, dog.